What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Happy Saturday. We're going to go over Vechain. We are currently in a Vechain trade. Get free access to my signals at the end of the video. We're sitting at 0.02788, up 0.3 on the day. See market cap 203 billion. 24-hour volume 33 million. So wave 2 pullback for Vechain. Now we may create a lower low. We just have 3 waves up right now. If we put in a 5th wave, then that can be a signal that this pullback is finished and you're going to start to break out, especially if we break this bullish level here, which is currently coming in at about 0.0312. Then you can see a straight breakout back to the upside and a big juicy, let me move this down, big juicy wave 3 to the upside. So if we were to break from here, I'll give you a target for that. Take a trend base extension from the bottom of the wave all the way up to the top. Bottom of the wave 2. If that were to be the bottom, you would target the 1.618 all the way up here at 0.06644, which would be extremely juicy. And from the current price, that would be an appreciation of 140%. Pretty nice. So if we create a 5-way move off that low, then that could be the first signal that this low is in. You're going to see continuation. But if it's just 3 waves, you roll over, create one more low before bouncing. We're retesting the bullish cross on the weekly, which is what I expected. So tomorrow's the weekly close. We can have a bottoming tail candle. As you can see, the bulls push the price right back up. So we have that nice wick, which can be a bottoming tail and can lead to a push back to the upside. It's pretty healthy what we're doing. We explode to the upside. We're pulling back to the weekly bullish cross, and hopefully we can see that continuation off the retest of the bullish cross on the weekly. So we're currently in a Vechain trade, as well as 3 trades for Gala and a trade for XRP. If you want completely free access to my signals, sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders. Make your first deposit and then send me an email. I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis. We're in multiple Forex trades. We're in multiple crypto trades, Mahalo all plays. Completely for free, guys. The best deal on YouTube. Just sign up, make a deposit to Bitfinex, send me email. Otherwise, it's $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link. All links down below. Smash up that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.